Hi there, guys.
Hi guys,
Welcome to our channel, Silver Fanatic. Okay, guys. Today let's just talk about the future, guys. Okay.
Yes.
Let's just advise each other on the future, guys, as we are a family, guys.
Yes.
Okay. All right, guys. As we always say, guys, that we don't advise that you put all your eggs in one basket, guys.
It's dangerous.
Yes, it's very dangerous, guys, to do that, guys, and to put all your eggs in one basket. By us, guys, saying that, guys, I think we can invest in cryptocurrency, guys.
Yes, that's
okay.
true.
We can invest in cryptocurrency,
There are
guys.
different kinds of crypto.
Yes, there are many kinds of crypto, guys. There is a Bitcoin, there is Ethereum, XRP, Chainlink. So there is multiple. There is about hundreds cryptocurrency. It depends on which one you have faith in, guys. Because we believe that crypto, guys, is the future as well, guys.
As a precious metal.
As precious metals, guys, they're also a future. So we believe that crypto is there as well, along with the precious metals, guys. So just a quick background on how crypto works, guys. Okay, you first find the service provider, guys. When I say service provider, it's a place where you will be buying your crypto. For an example, for us here in South Africa, the provider that we are using, it's Luno. Yes, we're using Luno, guys. Okay, that is our provider here in South Africa, guys. Okay, that is where we're buying our crypto. Okay, and then when you are done with buying your cryptos, guys, it's advisable not to keep them on the service provider, to keep them online, because they get hacked most of the time. So it's advisable you get something called a cold storage. A cold storage, it's something that you can save on your phone. They come in different forms. There is one which is a USB.
Also.
Yes, you can buy that as well. It's also a cold storage for cryptos, guys, where you be saving your bitcoins,
because you never know what the future holds.
Yes, you really never know what the future holds. So and then you can save your cryptos there offline. A cold storage is where you save your cryptos offline once you have done purchasing them on the service provider, whichever is available on your country. As we mentioned, that Luno is ours, they side it's the one we are using. So you move them from Luno and put them on your cold storage, just for protection in case they get hacked. You know that you have your Bitcoin, your Ethereums, your cryptos saved in your cold storage elsewhere. Yes, guys. So and another thing,
it's not advisable to put your investment into the bank.
It's really not really advisable to store your investment in the bank, especially
at
this time as things are shaping, the way the things are shaping, like for an example, whatever they call the dry powder. So it's not advisable, guys, to put it there in the bank, because once things get bad at the bank, they will deny you access to your funds. Yes, they will be using your funds to sustain themselves, and then they will deny you access to access your funds at the time of your need. So it's really not safe to keep your investment in the bank because of the way things are shaping.
Because I think they do have a right to use your money while you're still saving it. They can use it for something else.
I think so.
We're not sure.
So we're really not sure, because bank can do anything. Once it's in the bank, it's their money. the only time it will be your money, it's the only time it's in your hand.
And
That is your money. It's the only time that you can call it your money. When it's in a bank, it's the bank's money.
Yes.
So they can deny it anytime excess. So
it's their property.
It is really their property once it's with them. So my advice would be like trying to get a vault.
Yes.
Yeah, try and get a vault, guys. Whichever available on your country. Try and get a vault and save your precious metals in a vault. Save all your valuables. Yes, that you saving for a time of your need, future, guys. Just save them in a vault. At the vault, you'll have access at all times. They will not deny you access in the vault. They will not deny you access. Access will be there all the time for you. Yeah. Then you can keep all your dry powder, things that you have planned in times or in times of your need. Yes, guys.
Because to invest in precious metals, it's preserving your wealth that you'll need in the future.
Yes. Those precious metals that you're gonna save in the vault, guys. We really advise, guys, to just keep on with the precious metals. Keep on it. Keep with it.
Don't give up.
Keep saving them. They are our investment, and it's preserving wealth. It's for different things, guys. We can do a whole lot of things with the precious metal. Just keep strong. Keep saving strong, stacking strong on them, guys.
Because you don't know what tomorrow holds.
You don't know what tomorrow holds. Yes, guys. You because these things, crypto and precious metals, I suspect they can be a future currency. I mentioned that in one of the videos. I'm mentioning it again, guys, that I really suspect that they can be a future currency, guys. So I think when you are in precious metal and crypto, I think you will form some sort of a balance. Yes, for the future.
Because we all know what happened to the stock during the corona or COVID
virus. Yes, the bear flu, guys. Yes, guys, during that time. During the bear flu, we all know what happened. Yes. Okay. Yeah, guys. And another thing that can determine the future for these things, the precious metals, guys. It would be the US election, guys.
Yes, we're waiting.
We're waiting for that, guys. That's the only time we'll really know which path the precious metals are taking, whether they're going up or whether they're going down. That's the only time we'll be able to know exactly.
Because they are the world state.
Yes, the US is a world state, guys. We all know that. So yeah, that's the key for precious metals. That will determine which direction are they taking. So we'll know after the election, the US election. That's the time we'll know how it's going to shape up, guys. Okay, but besides that, guys, let's just stay strong and keep growing our stack, guys, and try to save to create a diversity, guys. Not like save all our eggs in one basket. Yes, guys.
We are a community, a family.
Yes, guys. We just need to advise one another, because we will not be seeing in one direction. We all think in different direction. We all see things in different directions. Okay, so yeah, so we feel that we need to advise one another. Okay, all right, guys, I think today's video was just about
this.
It's just talking about the future, guys.
Okay, it's important.
It's really important, guys. Yes. And we'd like to thank our subscriber, guys. We saw it's growing, and we really appreciative. Okay,
we're humble.
We really are humble, guys. So yeah, guys, and another advice I would like to give for new subscribers is to do it properly, guys. To subscribe, like and comment, because YouTube, I think they've changed something.
rules or something.
the rules or something when regards to that. So just like, subscribe, and make sure that you leave a comment, because when you subscribe only, I think they can desubscribe you automatically. So I think that's the rule.
It's
that
frustrating.
yeah, it is. I think that's the rule that they have changed.
Yeah.
So just make sure, do it right, like
and
subscribe, and leave a comment, so you stay subscribed, and press the notification bell. Okay. All right, guys.
That's true.
Thanks.
Thank you.